Hi, I'm Mukundan, your business transformation coach. Today we are going to discuss about the core value finding. What is the core value? The core value is your what you believe is required to have a life well lived. Actually, what you want, what you desire, what is your ambition, what is your goal, and all the things will be decided through your core values. It's nothing but a bricks of your building. It's nothing but a foundation of your building. Your life. Your life means a building. The core values are the foundation. The core values are very important one. It's not a choosing one, it's not a selected one, it's your inherent value. So you have to find it, not select it. We are given some list to you. On those things, you have to find your core value. Actually, core values are the base of every single decision. You are going to take any decision, that decision will be made on and based on your core values. The core values is the hidden that is a hidden material within you. So if you are the giver, so it's giving is your mindset. If anybody as a poor people, you saw the poor people, immediately you give some money or some other help. So it's the one of the core value of you. The giving is your core value. It's regularly, you are not known that, but you are doing that. Actually, you are not known, it is your core value, but you are doing based on that. So that's type of values you have within you. The values will be trigger your decisions. Are you clear? That is, for example, growth is a huge core value. About on you. Then value growth from all aspects of life. You are thinking always on growth. You are not only thinking on growth on yourself, you also help to others to grow. So that's the value. That's your inner core value. So you doesn't know this, but you are doing the things based on that. So here we are going to find that values through your habits. Once you are going to find the values, it's normally you have 5 to 10 values, not much values. At least 5 values you have to find out. Then you have to work it out on that. So you are having, I give you the list through the WhatsApp. So you should find what are the core values you have. That is some of a few I have read here. That is accountability. So accountability is the main core value for everybody. Without accountability, we are not doing anything. If somebody has given service to us, somebody has given money to us, somebody has given some help to us, we are going to accountable such things and return the things like thank you or some other way to thanks for their service or something. So that is the accountability, like that, not exactly, but like that. Somebody is on adventure. They are always challenging their life. They are always interested on adventure things, like Himalayan mountain, trekking on Himalayan mountains, and forest areas, or swimming here and there in the sea, like that. Lot of things, adventure games, adventure things. So the wild animal photographers are having the adventure on their value. In the channels, you see the lot of animals and man-eaters. The photographers, wild photographers, are capture the animals' day-to-day activities and other things on their own area. So they are thinking on, they are interested on adventures. So there are, that is the basic value, the core value of them. So then only they are doing such things. Until unless you are not having the adventure in your mind, in your value, you doesn't go there. You are unable to go there. If any force bring them to you there, you definitely not enjoying such things. So if your core values are equivalent, that is parallel with your habits, that will give the maximum result. So then only we are going to find the core value. Some things like adventure, accountability, discipline. Somebody is more disciplined. Taken one pen, then write something and then put it on the same place. They are not put somewhere else or throw it away, or not doing such things. They are put the pen in the same place. Like that, it's a discipline. So that discipline is the one of the value. Such value based habits. So if the habits are based on your core values, that will not change it. You are enjoying such habits. Until unless reversely against your core value, you are doing something, you are unable to enjoy that. So you should find your values. If you are wants to enjoy in your life, if you want to enjoy in your business, if you want to enjoy on everything, you should find your core value, and then plan everything based on your core value. At the time you are enjoying the things, and then you will get greater result on that. That's the main thing. Then reliability, another core value. Reliability is we are going to say some you should give some money to them, they are definitely return back. Don't worry, a highly reliable person. we are says about some other persons. So that's the value of them. That's the core value of them. So they are very reliable. So they are not cheating anybody. They are respect and respond their core values. So it's a very important one. I hope so you understand. Somebody is a humor. Somebody speaking, it's a very nice, spontaneous humor. So we are surrounding peoples are always laughing, and then he is creating the energy with all them. So that's the value. That's based on value. If you are you see you are not a person having such a humor, but you are interested on humor, you see that person, some other person in some marriage or any other function, at the time the person, humor valued person, impact all of them and make them to laugh and enjoy the situation. So at the time you are thinking, oh, he is having such a humor. Why don't me? Definitely it's not possible. If you have the value within you, if you have the core value as a humor as a core value of you, then only you are delivered such humor spontaneously and impact others, possible to impact others. So until unless you are not able to do, if you are trying to do that, it's not possible. It's clearly half-hearted. You do something here and there, but it's not spontaneous. It's not impact others. So you are half-heartedly doing such things that will not give the results what you are expecting. So that's the main thing. Like that, you have to. I will send you some nearly 20 core values to you through WhatsApp. So please find your core values on that. Not just tick it out. Please read and listen and think over it. What is your habits? What are all the behaviors you have? Which are the behaviors and habits will equivalent to your values, the listed values. So you should find such values. And at present you have to find only 5 values. Very important 5 values. You just read it out all the 20 values. You think this also for me, this also for me, this also for me. Your mind will be thinking every values are yours. No, it's not possible. So again and again, you have to write it down. You think over that. What are the habits? What are the behaviors you have? Then what are the things equivalent to your value? That's the main core values of you. Once you are finding that, then you have to plan accordingly. You have to rewrite your plans, you rewrite your life plans, you rewrite your business plans accordingly based on your core values. You are a very calm person. you are the very silent person, you are going to deliver that is what it is. If you are calm person or silent person, you are not going to fight somebody. You are not going to deliver your speech. Who are you? That's not possible. So that you are going to plan you are a speaker or somebody. You should plan. If you are silent, you move on such way of speeches and other things. If you are the aggressive person, you should go on tapping such things. So that's the main thing. So you should understand yourself. Just listen yourself. Just go through all the 20 values. Then just listen on you. Discuss with your mind and then think over it on your behaviors. What are the habits you have? Compare with them and identify your values. Not again and again I am saying that don't take it out. Don't choose your core value. It's not a chosen one. So don't choose your core values. You just find it. You have to identify. Actually, and then practice based on that. You have to practice your habits and your plans and your business life, whatever it is. You have to practice based on your core values. It's not trigger just a one day. It's need a practice. Once you are find the core values, then you have to regularly practice on that. It's the main thing. Here I am happy. I hope so you are all understand the things. Just you go through the list. I send it through the WhatsApp. You have any difficulties to find your values, feel free to contact me or just send the message on core value group. I will ready to answer such things. Thank you all. I hope you are all getting your core values and then you all be creating the lifestyle and the business styles on that, and you are all going to be greater success in your life. I wish all of you to maximum success on your life, even in this odd period. So I wish all of you and happy. Thank you all. Bye bye.